Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the author and the narrator of a particular reading on the Storytel application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should select the relevant reading you are interested in, either from your home page or from the search section where you can select from various categories. Then tap on the book that you want to check out and click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on the View Author button, which is the fourth option, and here you can find the author that you can follow, and you can check out all of its works. Then as you go back, you can also check out the narrator by tapping on the three dots icon at the top again. Click on View Narrator, and here you can find him and its narrated works as well, and you can follow him or her by tapping on the follow button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.